Still working on my daughter's Tweety and Sylvester clock. I want to point out a couple of things. This black tube right here was broken off, so I glued it to the base. This base actually slides down in these two slots here, but the base doesn't come out. So I went ahead and glued it, hoping that the glue will stay this time. But I discovered a gentleman who lives over in England that works on these clocks. His name is Dave, and I will point him out later in one of these videos. But I got the Tweety bird taken care of. The wiring, I didn't take very good pictures of the wiring, so this guy lives over in England sent me a wiring diagram to show me where all these wires go, and there's no wiring diagram out there in accordance with Dave. These back ones here, these two big ones, there's only one spot they can go, but all these other ones, these double wire ones, you have to know exactly which color goes where. And so I had to make contact with this guy Dave over in England. These two yellow wires, which go here, the second one before the last, go to the speaker. I contacted this guy Dave again, and to get confirmation where this green wire goes on the circuit board. He did tell me that this negative wire here does not connector here does not have a wire that goes to it. So I'm still working on it. Hopefully when I'm all done, this thing will work as designed. I've seen them selling on the internet for quite a bit of money, so they are a very collectible item, and they're pretty cool little battery operated clocks. If the circuit board